Hey everyone, Lisa here talking to you. Today I want to share my experience with Bravona Forte, a product that has been truly life-changing for me and many other women. If you've ever dreamed of increasing the size and firmness of your breasts naturally and safely, keep watching because this video is for you. So what exactly is Bravona Forte? It's an innovative kit that includes two products, a cream and a dietary supplement. This powerful combination was specially designed for women who want to enhance the appearance and volume of their breasts without resorting to expensive and invasive surgeries. I was looking for a solution like this myself, and I can confidently say that Bravona Forte is an effective and affordable alternative. The Bravona Forte cream is rich in phytoestrogens, natural substances that stimulate breast growth. By applying the cream regularly, I noticed that my skin became firmer and more elastic, creating a natural lifting effect. Hey Jenny, tell us something more.
Of course, Lisa! The formula contains ingredients that boost collagen and elastin production, which are essential for keeping the skin youthful and beautiful. Using the cream is simple and pleasant. Just massage a small amount onto your breasts twice a day, using circular motions from the base up to the shoulders. The cream absorbs quickly and doesn't leave any residue or sticky feeling. The Bravona Forte supplement, on the other hand, contains nutrients that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body, the hormone responsible for breast development. With consistent use of the capsules, I saw my breasts become larger, firmer, and more lifted. In just a few weeks, I was able to increase my breast size by 2 to 3 cup sizes, achieving a more attractive and balanced look. The recommended dosage is 2 capsules per day with about 10 ounces of water. Back to you, Lisa.
Thank you, Jenny. One of the biggest advantages of Bravona Forte is how fast the results appear. Many women, including myself, noticed changes within just 2 weeks of use. It's incredible to see how, day by day, my breasts became fuller and firmer, making me feel more confident and satisfied with my body. Plus, because Bravona Forte is made with natural ingredients, it is safe and well tolerated without causing any unwanted side effects. Now, I want to emphasize something very important. To ensure the effectiveness and safety of Bravona Forte, you must purchase it only from the official website. Unfortunately, due to the product's success, there have been reports of counterfeit versions being sold on third-party sites. Buying from the official site guarantees that you are getting a genuine, high-quality product, along with access to exclusive promotions and specialized customer support. So don't risk your health or your investment. Always buy from the official website. Jenny, now back to you.
Thank you very much, Lisa. Another thing I really appreciate is Bravona Forte's satisfaction guarantee. The company is so confident in the product's effectiveness that they offer a money-back guarantee. This shows their commitment to quality and their dedication to meeting the expectations of women looking to enhance their breasts naturally and safely. To sum it up, my experience with Bravona Forte has been amazing. If you're looking for a way to increase the size and firmness of your breasts without invasive procedures, I highly recommend trying Bravona Forte. Remember to buy only from the official website to ensure your safety and enjoy all the benefits this product has to offer. I'm incredibly happy with my results, and I'm sure you will be too. Take action and click the link on the description below. I hope this review was helpful for you. See you next time.